What's up, guys? In this video, we will be checking out an innovative ecosystem that is designed to empower users to have complete control over their financial journey. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, guys, so this is the landing page of WeFi. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, WeFi's ecosystem comprises three main components. All right, number one is the ITO platform. It is the groundbreaking initial technology offering platform that actually allows users to mine WFI tokens organically, which ensures fair access for everyone. Okay, number two would be the WeChain. Okay, so it's a blockchain infrastructure that is designed to support seamless transactions and decentralized applications. And the third one on that list is the neobank, guys. It is the next generation banking platform that offers both custodial and non-custodial solutions for managing and spending crypto in real world scenarios. And guys, just like what I mentioned, WeFi is an innovative ecosystem that is designed to empower users with complete control over their financial journey, and with a focus on transparency, fairness, and functionality. WeFi combines blockchain technology with practical financial tools to bridge the gap between Web 2 and Web 3. And guys, if you don't know the difference between Web 2 and the Web 3, we actually created a video that talks about that in the channel, so go ahead and check that one out. Now, this project, guys, is not like any crypto projects out there. So WeFi's tokenomics prioritize fairness and accessibility. So through its ITO model, WFI tokens can only be mined with no pre-mining or whitelisting or VC funding or whatsoever like that. Okay, so this ensures that the users are never used as exit liquidity, as liquidity is generated incrementally at 8 WFI tokens per second only. Now, early adopters can benefit greatly from this model, guys, because the mining rate gradually decreases while the token value increases with growing adoption. And with just 35 million WFI mined out of a 1 billion supply, the users that are joining now are still early participants in this long-term vision. Now, neobank, guys, is the perfect solution for crypto users. So WeFi's neobank is actually aiming to revolutionize the financial freedom by addressing the constraints of traditional finance. So you have custodial wallets with bank cards as well. You could top up with crypto and spend effortlessly. So the non-custodial accounts, on the other hand, you can keep control of the funds in personal wallets while linking them seamlessly with your bank account. Now, this is the one that I really like, guys. Crypto ATMs, right? So it enables deposits and withdrawals via QR codes for bankless users, and exclusive perks for WFI holders are also available, guys. So higher holdings could grant better ranks and unlocking premium benefits like enhanced services as well as rewards. Now, WeFi's fair launch, innovative tools, and early stage opportunities are making it the ideal time to join this transformative project. And guys, make sure to do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. There's a lot of information that talks about this. You even have the faces of the team in their website. Look at that. The CEO looks young here, right? So you can go ahead and check this one out, guys. You have their X account also here with 25.7K followers already. You also have their Telegram at 62.9K. Look at that. Make sure to follow their social media platforms, guys. That way you would always be notified with any updates, announcements, airdrops, anything and everything that talks about the project. This is their docs. This is actually a good part to start your research because it has a lot of information for those that really likes to read. And there are visuals here that would be helpful for you when you do your own research. They even have their LinkedIn, so you can go ahead and check that one out when you do your own research. And guys, so we checked out WeFi, guys, what it is, and the things that I feel you guys need to know about the project. So go ahead and check it out. See for yourself. This is a project that you would like to be in. That way, hopefully, you could get as much profit as you can. So if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount.